A major focus of the Stringer V27 release has been the introduction of AI-powered assistance through Project Assist AI. Project Assist AI is our integrated AI agent platform, and included with the first release is an AI assistant named Tex. Tex provides project-aware assistance directly within Stringer while leaving complete control of your survey data in the hands of the user. Tex has been designed specifically for Stringer users and can assist with technical support, project reviews, reporting, and general survey workflows. Tex combines access to Stringer help resources, skills, and project data to provide context-aware assistance while you work. Rather than searching through manuals or help files, you can simply ask a question in natural language and receive guidance directly within Stringer. Need help with a command or workflow? Simply ask Tex. Tex can explain Stringer tools, provide step-by-step instructions, answer technical questions, and help troubleshoot common issues. Because Tex has access to the latest help resources and knowledge base, responses are specific to Stringer rather than relying on general AI knowledge. Tex can also inspect your project data and generate reports. For example, you can ask Tex to summarize a survey project, review surfaces and point groups, identify potential issues, or create formatted reports for project documentation. This allows you to quickly gain insight into a project without manually reviewing large amounts of data. Tex is the first AI assistant available within Project Assist AI and provides a new way to access support, analyze projects, and work more efficiently within Stringer.